Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sinful Colors, Dancing Nails, and a fan brushed mani. Here's Nailtiques Formula 2, that is my base coat, and here is Sinful Colors, Dancing Nails. So I was running out of oomph, so that's why we end up doing like a fan brushing manicure on this one. That shoulder I was telling y'all about was screaming by this point, and I knew I had to get some polish on my nails. So thankfully this one has got a really good formula and it is going on pretty nice. Capping my free edge here. And this one's like a really rosy rose gold. It's definitely got that chrome finish, and you have to be careful for, brush strokes with polishes like these. I did think that as this dried down, the brush strokes kind of went away a little bit. They weren't too noticeable. Nothing too crazy. So here we go with that second coat of Dancing Nails. Hi Woody, how you doing? So just so you know, it was my right arm that was hurting. It was like from my shoulder forever down. And so that is the one I'm painting with now, and I'm losing steam already, and we ain't even got nothing done yet. So I am putting some Poshe top coat on this here. And we're going to get it to dry down so we can do a little bit of playing. And normally when I do fan brush manicures, I'm always really stoked with how they turned out. This one was just a struggle, and it was just because I was having a rough day. That's all. Woody's back. He's going to be very busy today because Mom's exceptionally messy. So there we go. I am going to put the Burt's Bees cuticle butter around my nails. And I'm going to be using Born Pretty Black and Born Pretty Silver stamping polishes to do my little fan brushing with. As you can see, I've already got some colors out on the mat. And I don't know why I was trying to do it like this. I'm going to blame the pain meds. But normally I would do like one color and clean off the brush and then do another color, another layer. It's just been so long since I've done one that I didn't remember even how to do it, but I knew that this is what we were doing today. So here we go with this. I do like this technique. It's a little messy, can be a lot messy depending on, how you do it. I had to change to the Funky Fingers, the Dark Night, because that other Black Born Pretty polish is just getting too low. Too hard to get out of the bottom of the bottle. But I just put a couple of drops out on the mat and kind of brush through it, get some on the brush. And see, normally when I'm feeling good, I would have taken a toothpick and separated some of those bristles and, worked on it like that. But I'm telling you, you guys know when you're hurt, you don't really want to be doing anything. So I considered it pretty good that I was even doing this. I am going to clean off my brush and wipe it off on a paper towel, get some of that gunky polish off of it so that we can, have a fresh start. We're going to start with some more dots. And I don't want anybody feeling sorry for me that, my shoulder was hurt. I just wanted to let y'all know that this is a little slacker of a manicure for me, because I just really wasn't feeling all that good. But the manicures I took off to do this, I had worn them for 6 days, and that's almost like a world record for me. I was not in the mood for looking at them anymore. I could not stand it. I had to have a mani change. And for me, that doesn't just mean changing the base colors. It means I need more nail art on my nails, something else to look at. Especially if I thought I was going to have to go to the doctor and I needed something to distract me and something pretty to look at. I was trying to get something different on my nails that I wasn't already tired of seeing. So there's that. I'm kind of just going over all the nails now and just kind of adding color where I think I need some and dispersing a little bit more. Just making it look a little more aesthetically pleasing to my eye. This was not my favorite manicure. I'm just going to go ahead and say that. Out of all the manicures I've done here lately, this was not my favorite. But I didn't hate it. I just, I I wished it had turned out more fan brushy looking. This one almost looks like a sloppy gradient over the pink, but you know, sometimes we get what we get. It's just nail polish. It comes off. We do another. And in fact, I'm ended up wearing this one at least 2 days. It's been on 2 days, and I might stretch it and wear it for a 3rd day. We'll see. I got stuff to do. I got things in my head I want to do, so we'll see how that goes. There you can see I'm really getting crazy with it. I'm trying to make sure I get colors up there. I wanted the little black up where the gold was. So since I put on that Burt's Bees cuticle balm, I'm able to just clean up the excess mostly with tape. Very easy cleanup process. And now we're going to go over it with the cleanup brush and some acetone. And if you do a manicure like this and your fan brushing gets too crazy and takes up too much of the nail, you can always go back in with some of the base color also with that fan brush technique and kind of get some more of that color back into the manicure, back up on top. I am topping this one today with some of the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Love this top coat. Sealing it all in. And we're going to see Woody again. Hi, Woody. He's such a good helper. So here comes my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.